What's good, Wealthbuilderz? It's the man, it's the myth, the wealth builder himself, Devon Putting Work Burke, and today we're talking about the first NFT billionaires, Opensea. Before we get started, make sure you subscribe to the channel because we talk about making more money, saving more money, building a better you, and business. So without further ado, let's get to the topic on hand. The first NFT billionaires, Opensea. All right, so if you haven't heard about NFTs yet, then you must be in your own little bubble and scared to come out in the world and play, because NFTs are the newest craze, and it's set to be the newest .com bubble. You know, do your research, But the thing about NFTs is a lot of skepticism around the whole thing, because it's like selling art, but not really selling art, or selling a digital version of music, but not really the track. I know it sounds crazy, and it's definitely a weird setup, and we are all still trying to figure out where this NFT thing is going to take us. And while we are trying to figure things out, right, a company by the name of Opensea is taking the NFT game over. The founders of this crazy blockchain startup, Opensea, have joined the 3 Comma Club following a fresh funding round announced last Tuesday that values the company at $3.3 billion, up from $1.5 billion just 6 months ago. With estimated 18.5% stakes in Opensea, co-founders Devin Finzer and Alex Atala are each worth about $2.2 billion, Forbes estimates. This is a lot of funny pictures being sold, right? That's what they all look like. But Opensea is a marketplace for NFTs, and these NFTs aren't bid on at the moment. Most of them are sold at base prices. It's almost like an eBay setup, but for digital products. Opensea bills itself as a peer-to-peer platform on which users can create, buy, and sell all sorts of NFTs in exchange for a 2.5% cut of each sale. So this is where it gets interesting, right? Because they are actually valued as a $1 billion company. Yep, a $1 billion company. But this money will have to be paid back because they became billionaires because of funding from other people investing in the company. Not actually by selling something. Yeah, they made some money, but it's really about the funding. This whole NFT craze will come down crashing soon, but there will be companies that will stand the test of time. Just like the big tech companies like Amazon and others stood the test of time, I believe Opensea will do the same. If you want to learn more about NFTs and Opensea, check out the link in the description for the link to the Forbes article about Opensea. Also, you can go directly to their website. Their link will be directly in there, okay? It's a great read and all that good stuff, but if you're looking to invest in a couple NFTs, you can check out Opensea website. I believe it's opensea.com, but I will have that link right downstairs, right down there, right down. If you look down below this video, yeah, the description. I know a lot of y'all be like, what? The description? Where that? Where? It's below the video. Trust me. Just click that link. Just click the button and it opens the description. But anyway, if you're ready to start building a residual income online and build a passive income business, check out the Wealthbuilderz System.com. That's Wealthbuilderz with a Z System.com, and learn how to make more money, save more money, build a better you and business. So, thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Also, don't forget to get the t-shirts. I got the t-shirts. Check out the black one right here. I got the black one right here. I got some green ones. We're gonna have some blue ones. We're gonna have some red ones, some yellow. You know what I mean? We got the hats coming. We got the coffee mugs. You know what I'm saying? We definitely gonna have some merchandise for you folks, you know? Check it out. The link is in the description as usual. All right. And again, thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. It's the man. It's the myth. The wealth builder himself. Devon put in work. Signing on for the first NFT billionaires. Opensea. Do remember, wealth builders, make more, save more, then build more. Peace.